Looking for the best front and rear dashcam but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best front and rear dashcams you can get right now. I'll break down video quality, night vision, smart features, and overall value so you can choose the right dashcam to help protect you every time you're on the road. We have included links in the description. Number 1. iWiFi 6 360 degrees dashcam 4-channel, 5.8G Wi-Fi 6, up to 20 megabytes per second, with app, free 128 gigabytes card, FHD front and rear inside dashcam for car, 8 IR lights night vision, GPS, 24/7 parking mode, G-sensor. If you're looking at the iWiFi 6 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam, you're considering a dash camera that's designed for drivers who want the most complete recording coverage possible. In the US market, multi-channel dash cams have become increasingly popular among rideshare drivers, families, commuters, and anyone who spends a significant amount of time on the road. What this dash cam is best known for is its 4-channel recording system. Instead of only capturing what's happening in front of your vehicle, it also records the rear, interior, and additional surrounding views. That extra coverage can be valuable in situations where a standard front-facing camera simply isn't enough. In real-world American driving, this type of setup makes sense for Uber and Lyft drivers, parents transporting children, business owners managing company vehicles, and commuters navigating busy city traffic. If an incident occurs inside or around the vehicle, having multiple recording angles may provide a much clearer picture of what actually happened. One of the biggest strengths is the comprehensive recording coverage. Whether you're parked at a shopping center, driving through downtown traffic, or traveling on the interstate, the camera is designed to document activity from multiple directions. The included 128 GB memory card is another practical benefit. Many buyers appreciate being able to start using the dash cam immediately without purchasing additional storage separately. Number 2. WiFi A229 Plus Dashcam Front and Rear, Dual Starvis 2 Sensors, 2-channel HDR, 1440p plus 1440p voice control car dash camera, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, ultra-precise GPS. If you're considering the WiFi A229 Plus, you're looking at one of the most respected names in the dash cam market. Among American car enthusiasts, professional drivers, and experienced dash cam users, WiFi has built a reputation for focusing on image quality and dependable performance rather than flashy features. What this dash cam is best known for is producing exceptionally clear footage using dual Starvis 2 image sensors. When it comes to dash cameras, video quality isn't just about making footage look nice. It can make the difference between clearly identifying license plates, road signs, and important details or ending up with footage that's difficult to use after an accident. In real-world American driving conditions, the A229 Plus performs particularly well during daily commuting, highway travel, road trips, and nighttime driving. Whether you're navigating heavy freeway traffic in Los Angeles, driving through snowy roads in the Midwest, or commuting before sunrise, consistent image quality becomes extremely important. One of the biggest strengths is the dual 1440p recording resolution. Compared to standard full HD systems, the additional detail can improve clarity when reviewing footage after an incident. The Starvis 2 sensors are another standout feature. Low-light performance is one of the biggest challenges for dash cameras, and these sensors are specifically designed to capture cleaner, brighter footage in difficult lighting conditions. HDR recording also helps balance scenes with challenging lighting, such as driving directly into the sun, exiting tunnels, or dealing with bright headlights at night. Number 3. Vantruon 2X 2.7K Dashcam Front and Inside, 5G Wi-Fi Dual Dash Camera for Car with HDR IR Night Vision, Starvis 2, GPS, 2.5K/60 FPS, G-sensor, 24/7 parking mode, voice control, support 512 GB max. If you're looking at the Vantruon 2X, you're considering a dash cam from a brand that has earned a strong reputation among American rideshare drivers, commercial drivers, and motorists who want dependable video evidence. In the US market, Vantruon is best known for producing dash cameras that emphasize video quality, reliability, and long-term durability. What makes the N2X stand out is its dual camera setup that records both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior. That combination makes it especially valuable for anyone who regularly transports passengers. In real-world American driving, this dash cam is an excellent fit for Uber and Lyft drivers, taxi operators, parents transporting teenagers, driving instructors, delivery services, and anyone who wants both road and cabin footage. One of the biggest strengths is the Starvis 2 image sensor. High-quality image sensors play a huge role in how well a dashcam captures license plates, road signs, and other important details, especially after dark. Night performance is another highlight. The infrared interior night vision allows the cabin camera to continue recording even when the vehicle interior is nearly dark. This is especially valuable for drivers working evening or overnight shifts. Another major advantage is recording at higher frame rates. Smooth video can help preserve more detail during highway driving or other situations where vehicles move quickly. Number 4. 360 view 4-channel dashcam front and rear left right inside camera for cars, GPS and 5G band Wi-Fi, night vision, 160 wide angle, WDR, 24H parking mode, supercapacitor, included 128GB card. If you're considering the 360 view 4-channel dashcam, you're looking at a system designed to capture nearly every angle around your vehicle. In the US market, 4-camera systems have become increasingly popular among rideshare drivers, fleet operators, business owners, and drivers who simply want the most complete documentation possible. What this dashcam is best known for is total coverage. Instead of focusing only on the front or rear, it records multiple perspectives around the vehicle simultaneously. In real-world American driving, this level of coverage can be valuable in crowded parking lots, busy city streets, shopping centers, and during passenger transport. One of the biggest strengths is the 4-camera configuration. Recording the front, rear, interior, and side areas helps reduce blind spots and provides a more complete record of events. The included GPS records travel data alongside the video, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easier to review and transfer recordings using a smartphone. Night vision and WDR technology also improve recording performance under difficult lighting conditions, including nighttime driving and bright daytime sunlight. Number 5. Reddiger 4K dashcam front rear, Starvis 2 sensor, free card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 20 MB/s fast download, dash camera for cars with GPS, WDR night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, 24H parking mode, F7NP. Dash cameras in the US market. Reddiger has gained attention among American drivers for combining high-resolution recording, modern features, and user-friendly operation. What this dash cam is best known for is delivering excellent image quality without requiring a complicated multi-camera installation. In everyday American driving, the F7NP works well for commuters, families, business travelers, road trip enthusiasts, and anyone wanting dependable accident documentation. One of the biggest strengths is the 4K front camera. Higher resolution helps capture more detail, which may improve the ability to identify license plates, road markings, and other important information. The Starvis 2 sensor significantly improves low-light performance. Nighttime accidents are often more difficult to document, so stronger night recording can make a meaningful difference. Another major advantage is the rear camera. Rear-end collisions remain among the most common accidents in the United States, and having rear footage provides additional evidence if another driver strikes your vehicle from behind. Those are my picks for the top 5 best front and rear dashcams. Some offer sharper video, while others stand out with better smart features, parking mode, or overall value. The best choice comes down to your driving habits and the level of protection you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.